It's that time of year when we hear about brown patch in our lawns. Isaac from Spring Gardens Nursery is here to help guide us through that and prevent it, hopefully.
Yes.
Okay, so what are some steps we should take to prevent brown patch?
One thing that we can do is aerate. That's removing the cores of soil that'll help with water and air filtration.
Okay.
And so you don't have the puddling, because if you have poor drainage, you're going to have an issue with brown patch.
Okay. What's the next thing we need to do?
Next thing that we can do is apply this product. This is MicroLife Brown Patch. It's a fertilizer, and it has microbes in there that will help prevent brown patch and other fungal issues.
Okay. And what about our watering? Because I know we're getting some rain coming,
Right.
and I've heard you talking about watch out how much we water in our
Right.
lawns.
With the cooler temperatures and the added moisture, we need to reduce the frequency and the time that it's running.
Okay.
So you don't want to overwater, because with the water, you'll be more prone to have brown patch issues.
Okay. All right. So aeration,
Right.
reduce our watering, and spread the MicroLife Brown Patch.
Yes, it's a great preventative and a fertilizer.
That's great. We get 2 in 1. Well, wonderful. So now we know aeration, reduce our water, and spread the brown patch.
Right.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Isaac from Spring Gardens Nursery. And this is Home Show Garden Pros for more information.